It is now 4 p.m. on September 25th Beijing time. Last Friday, the video recommended that EURUSD go long below 1.0610. The lowest price after the issue was 1.0635, 25 points away from the entry point. The highest price was 1.0674, and the maximum amplitude was only 39 points, no chance to enter the market. Then there's gold. Last Friday's video recommended short selling above 1936. The highest price after the issue was 1929.2, which was $7.2 away from the entry point. It fell to 1920.9 in advance, and the cumulative price was only $8.3, and there was no fluctuation. It is expected that the market attaches great importance to global economic issues and wants to wait for the central bank resolutions and the United Nations General Assembly to have less interference in the market before taking action. So, it has maintained a wait-and-see state last week. Although the intraday orders did not enter the market, Laodai's main account has been using the EA program to trade in EURUSD. From September 1st to today, September 25th, the cumulative income was $13,563. September is coming to an end, and it is the time to change both the month and the quarter. From July 1st to today, the cumulative income is $70,146. According to this trend, by the end of September, on a principal amount of $150,000, the profit margin in the third quarter may reach 50%. Laodai's observation password was not made public recently. Friends who are in the trader group or have bound accounts to copy trading know that the observation account has been open for 3 consecutive years, and you can clearly see the historic operations and real-time trading process. If you follow Laodai's videos and want to earn unlimited profits bit by bit every day, in exchange for stable profits every month, quarter, or year, you can ask me for the observation password of Laodai's account. There are observation accounts with initial funds ranging from $5,000 to $150,000. The managed account signals are consistent with the main account, and the password is changed once a week. Observe for a week and then consider joining the trader group or participating in copy trading if it suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Last week's Fed decision showed a hawkish pause in raising interest rates. The dot plot shows that interest rates will rise by 0.5% in the next 2 years. However, this is only the view of some Fed officials. Fed Chairman Powell has not made a clear stance and is very cautious about the timing of interest rate cuts. The economic data released by the United States last week were mixed, with the service industry PMI falling continuously, which to a certain extent increased the risk of hard landing for the U.S. economy in the future. In addition, raising interest rates have made companies less willing to take out loans, and the number of bankrupt companies has also increased. Therefore, it is very likely that we will not be able to continue to raise interest rates in the future or maintain high interest rates for a long time. Officials are right to worry about a rebound in inflation, but it may be difficult to continue raising interest rates when countless business failures have become a reality. The trend in EURUSD maintains a narrow range and does not completely follow the US index. 1.0600 to 1.0560 below is the key point. You can observe the market sentiment more on Monday and wait for 1.0600 to 1.0535 to go long, with stop loss at 1.0525. Gold tested 1930 twice last week and did not break or fall. The big funds on the long and short side has not yet made a move. You can focus on the 1915 to 1930 range. It is recommended to sell short positions at 1932 to 1945 during the day, with stop loss at 1947. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading business. The target point is not placed on the video. Laodai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from George Soros.